Welcome, and this is a video for Canada Pinto B11R semi-sleeper Volvo. So it has resumed the service today back again from Mumbai to Bangalore. Today is the 9th of October. As you can see, this is a night shift. Take you through the interiors. So you can see these are the semi-sleeper seats with proper lumbar support. It is a 43 berth seating configuration, and this is my favorite seat. The reason being is because of the additional curve glass that you get. Each seat has an individual charging socket. You have storage compartment on top. This is definitely for the entertainment system, followed by which the entire seating configuration. If you can see, earlier they had the charging socket directly at the seats. I'm not sure if it's functional or not. These seats recline based press of this button, and you can even adjust the lumbar support, and you have your own handrest. It's quite comfortable seat and quite luxurious also. Let me walk you through to the end of the cabin. So this is the last seat, that is 44, the last seating configuration, and here you have the emergency exit, followed by which you have a sleeping berth for the driver or the pilot that we call. So they take turns. Like if it's an 18-hour journey, 9 hours are split between the drivers, and that's how they take journey on. If you can see, there are lights across, and even there's an ambient light with this, which will be either blue or white, and you have the full white light across. If you can see, there's a good amount of storage space to keep your luggage. For each seat, if you can see, there is also the bottle holder. You have the cap. You get plastic also, like in case someone has issues with vomiting, etc. They do provide. That depends on journey to journey. And on the entertainment front, if you can see, you have a clock and even the light, which is basically the indicator light for any changes or emergencies, and followed by which you have this enclosed or uplifted TV screen, which will come down as and when the journey starts. Now talking about in-seat comfort for the passengers, if you can see, there are the AC vents which can be individually controlled. You can open or lower them up depending on your thing, and you can rotate them as per your need requirement, followed by which you have the lightings also. These are the other lights which when turned on can be there. You can adjust the lighting flow as well as the speakers. If you can see, these are the buttons for the various lights and the emergency button which I was calling out earlier. Overall, a quite comfortable seat. If you can see, there is footrest also, so as and when you're inclined and the entire sleeper configuration is opened up, it's a very comfortable place to be in. Taking you back to the cabin, so you can see the curtains which should be put in during the night, because there's a lot of incoming traffic light in the night, so the curtains are in. You have safety measures like the fire extinguisher here, as well as one at the back we just saw. And this is the cabin. The crew are really keeping the vehicle well maintained. You can see the proper cleaning is very well done, and even though a year or two old, the vehicle is maintained very well. Some scriptures, some verses from the Bible, and back to ask. Thank you all.